Guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with an exciting new unboxing video for the channel. This came in today, and if this is what I think it is, I'm going to be super thrilled to share this with you. So let's first of all open this up to see if this is in fact what I think it might be, because I have been waiting for this and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So let's get this out of the bag first. So you can see how nicely it's packaged. There's bubble wrap inside, and there's an inner box. And I think this is what I think it is. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I've been really looking forward to this. I am so excited to be doing this on the channel. It says here, give animals a home. How adorable is that? Oh. And I'm going to have to use some scissors here. So there's a lot of tape. And I'm going to have to use some scissors here. And here. Sorry guys if it was off camera for a second. It was just an awkward angle. I just have to get all the tape. And it looks like there are 2 boxes and a bag. So, you guys, this is definitely what I've been waiting for. And look how extremely well packaged this was. I'm just going to toss this over. So I have a paper envelope and 2 boxes. And this came all the way from China to Canada. So the box got a little bit squashed. Hopefully everything's okay. But look how beautiful the boxes are. It says, "Hi Park, hi, how are you?" on them. So, because we have 3 different things to unbox, I think I will eventually do these one at a time because it'll take too long otherwise. Hang on a second. Alright guys, so we have the 3 packages from Tivisy. And Tivisy is an online store that reached out to me to do a Mother's Day collab. They're having a Mother's Day sale, so they sent me free Mother's Day items. And they were so generous, you guys. Look at all the stuff I got here. I was not only able to get a gift for my mom, I was able to get a gift for myself and a gift for my dad. They are so generous over there. So, if you need Mother's Day items, go check out Tivisy. Now, Tivisy, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. They describe themselves as a one-stop destination for creative artwork, home decor, gifts, and more. And they have so many beautiful things on their website. And I will take you over to the website to see what they have. Okay? But first, let's take a look at what's in one of these boxes. All right, so we're going to open this box first. And look how beautiful. It says, "Hi Park. Hi, how are you?" And there's a window. And it says, "Give animals a home." And it was a little bit squished in shipping, but it did come a very long way. And you saw when I opened how well packaged it was with bubble wrap. All right, so we're just going to open this up. And it looks like we have a little note. Who are we? Hi Park is a home decor brand started with our consciousness of the environment and wild animals. Everything we curate is designed in-house by our creative and detail-oriented designers and produced in partnership with our exclusive, sustainable, and ethical factory. We are here to raise awareness of the environment and our planet as well as wild animals, to support organizations that make this planet a better place. You guys, I love that so much. Every piece we sell is made out of recycled wood, and the paints we use are also certified as sustainable. We devote ourselves to the environment and sustainability, and we are committed to giving nonprofit organizations help to make this planet a better place. Better planet, better life. We are on the way. Thank you for supporting High Park and supporting our planet. And then they have like a code here. So that was really, really nice. And you guys all know, if you watch this channel, how much I love animals. So it was so hard, even though they were so very generous. You guys, they gave me $100 worth of, like they said, they sent me a coupon for $100. That's a lot of money. And even though it was that much money, I still had a hard time choosing because they had so many beautiful items. So look how nicely this is packaged. We've got more bubble wrap. And we've got this paper. And they say, I guess it's recyclable paper. And then we have the actual item in here. And it's just nestled in here. So I'm just going to have to take some of the paper off so we can see it and get the cord out. So you guys, look how beautiful this is. It's a little fox. When I saw this, I had to get it. It is so gorgeous. Now, I don't know if you can see, but it's got many, many layers of wood. See how many layers of wood? It's got the High Park logo at the back. It's not heavy. It's very light, but it's still, it feels substantial in your hand. But like, it's not as heavy as you would expect it to be. It's nice and smooth. And look at the scene inside. I don't know if you can see, but there's a beautiful forest scene with a little fox. And it's all different layers, like paper cutting almost, only it's wood cutting, obviously. But the trees and the flowers, the details are incredible. This is absolutely beautiful. Let me move some of the stuff out of the background so you can see it better. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous, you guys. So it's a nice size. You can see here are my hands. It's absolutely beautiful. The work going into this must have been incredible. And I just love this scene. And I think this fox looks so delicate and beautiful, like the sweeping tail and the little upturned nose. So you guys, there were so many beautiful things to get, but I thought this was so pretty and delicate. So this is a gift for my mom for Mother's Day. And I hope she'll like it as much as I do. I absolutely love this. So we have a cord here with an LED light. So we'll plug that in and try to see what it looks like lit up. So you guys, I've got it plugged in and we're going to turn it on. And look how beautiful that is. That is so gorgeous. Now, it is daylight in my room, but the camera is not showing. It's like a warm orange light inside. Alexa, bedroom light off.
Okay.
I wish I could show you how beautiful this is. It is gorgeous. My camera is making it like a white light. It's not a white light. It is a really pretty orangey yellow light. It's just gorgeous. So that is with the light on. And that is with the light off. Light on. If I tilt it like this, you can see how thick it looks. And that forest scene, I just want to go into it and go for a walk. Isn't this beautiful? And the light off. Alexa, bedroom light on.
Okay.
So there's with the light off again. So you guys, this is so very beautiful. I love it so much. Now, we're going to quickly go over to the website, and I'm going to show you some of the things, and I'm going to show you this exact one and how much it costs. I think it was $39.99 American. So it's just so beautiful. Let's turn on the light one more time. Isn't that amazing? Couldn't you just get lost in that scene? Like, I would love to be in there walking and see a fox and take some pictures. This is so beautiful. I fell in love with this when I saw it. But you know what? There were so many other really beautiful ones too. So we're going to go over to the website now, and then we'll come back. Okay, guys, so here we are at the Tivisy website. Now, I will go over this in detail when we do the overview of everything we got from Tivisy. We're going to go through this whole entire website. But right now, I am just going to show you the first item that I bought, which is this beautiful fox that I got for my mom for Mother's Day. Now, this is the version without the light. It's $29.99 if you don't want the light. I did get the LED light version, which was $39.99 USD. There's a drop-down menu. So that is $53.59 Canadian. So isn't that beautiful? So anyway, I could have gotten the sound activation LED light version, which comes with the remote and a bunch of different colors. And that would have cost a little bit more for $49.99. I could have got, well, I couldn't have got, because this is way out of my price range, but people who have the money, you can get a big giant wall size one, which is 28.7 inches by 17.7 inches. And then they have one that's bigger than the one that I got. It is this one here. You can see the man holding it. And the same one here with the light. So with all the different lights, it's $89.99. And with it just one colored light, it's $79.99 for that size. And I got the $39.99 one. And down here you can see the box where they compare everything. So you can see the different sizes and what kind of color it comes with. So this is a really nice website, you guys. If you're looking for a gift, I love this one so much, but I really struggled with almost getting this one. And here is the LED light version. And this one. And here is the LED light version. And here's the big one. Isn't that gorgeous? Wouldn't that look beautiful on a wall? Look, there's even a ship in the background. And this one. With the beautiful butterflies with the flowers. And here is the light version. Oh, DIY version. Oh, I didn't even see that there was a DIY version where you could do it yourself. That is cool. I did not notice that. And here is the LED light version. Oh man, I didn't know there was a DIY version. Super cool. But anyway, it was really hard to choose. And I went through every one of these and I ended up getting the fox because I love the fox. And I thought my mother would like it. Now, she would have also liked the butterfly. And even though I almost got the birds, she doesn't like birds like I do. And the fox is just something different. Like sometimes you can see wood cuttings of birds just at stores locally, but I've never seen one of a fox. And I thought, wow, that is such a nice, unique gift. And the fox, it's so pretty and graceful, and I just thought it was really beautiful. And I love the picture in the background. It looks just like the area where I live. So anyway, when we do the overview, I will be going through all of the pages, like as many as I can. So hang on for that one. But for now, that is the one that I got. All right, let's head back to the regular video. Okay, guys, so I hope you like that. Don't forget to come back to see the other things that Tivisy was kind enough to send. Tivisy, thank you so much. So, you guys, if you like that, please hit that thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell, all of those good things, and take care. And tell me what you think about the website. What was your favorite one? What would you have ordered if you were me? All right, guys, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye.